Heyo, what's up everyone? Today I'm here to show you how I retwist my short dreads. So you can see here everything's neat, and you'll see how I went from this to this. Let's go.
First, I gotta wash my hair. This is what it looks like. Look at that transition magic. The products I use are Eco Styler, 2-pronged hair clips. I prefer them over the 1-prong. We got tons of them. Then we got some water to keep your hair moist. And lastly, a hairband to separate your hair. All my hair is pretty fuzzy from washing it, but it's nice and clean and smells good. I'm going to put half up in an elastic and then start to retwist. Using just a little bit of Eco Styler, we rub that in between our fingers and apply that to the roots of my hair. Just the roots, no need to go down the shaft. I start to twist with my fingers, going from the left side of my head to the right side. And then I use my palms to do a palm roll. That way I'm not just twisting the roots, but also making sure that I'm tightening up anything further down. Lastly, I put a clip on it.
Alright, so I like to start from the back and work my way up to the front. Mostly because I can't see the back of my head. There's no point of using a comb to try and part this. It would just be frustrating, so I don't do it. Fingers twisting because, you know, they're dreads. They don't have to be perfect, but I do want them to be neat. So that's the look I go for. Barely touched it. Like, you shouldn't be able to really see product. That's how little. Teeny bit, just a little bit.
So I continue to twist my hair, again going from the left to the right of my head. When I twist, I like to make sure that it's as tight as possible, even putting a little loop on the ends to make sure that it stays twisted, like starting a Bantu knot. I work from the back and move my way up, using the water to continue to keep my hair moist, and putting in clips to keep it secure. I probably put 1 clip on each twist. Here you'll see that some of the hair got loose, so I wanted to make sure that it was wrapped around the dread. I also use a single prong clip to use it as a part. As I said, I don't use a comb, so this is like that one thing I might do to make sure my parts look neat in the front. And then I continue to twist my hair until I get to the end. Don't forget to have a little fun, listen to some music to pass the time. This probably only took me 30 minutes to go through my entire head, and this is the last dread. It's time to go under the dryer. We have 2 options. We can either go under a sitting dryer or use a hair dryer. Either way, this will take 30 to 45 minutes. Alright, we're all done. Time to take out all these clips. We go from the back to the front to back, doesn't really matter. I usually end up combing my fingers through my hair to make sure I got it all. Once all the clips are out, I like to do a quick style, like twisting the front of my hair and pinning it with an elastic band, just to give it a little style, especially side parts.
Alright, that's it. Nice and neat. I'm going to tie this down before I go to bed, and perhaps tomorrow I'll do a style. So this is how you use Eco Styler and some water to retwist your short dreads. Comment down below anything else you'd like to see me try with my dreads. If you have any recommendations on products. I don't use much in my hair, but I'm still open to learning about more things. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces!